can see Pepper. Hi! Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Pepper! Look at this feast! That's one of my favorite places to eat. IKEA. End of shoot. DED date. Okay, try it. It's nice, right? I am absolutely date beat, but I am keeping myself accountable and showing up for my PT. Look at my girls. We are giving my storeroom a makeover today, and you guys can check out the IKEA vlog that we're doing. It's a challenge. So they're building some shelves right now. Alright, well, the girls are working really hard outside. Just thought I would quickly get ready because I've got quite a lot of shoots today. Let's start with skincare. Simple hydration and sun protection will be good. But of course, hydration and hydration, these go so well together with this actually. So these three products are my faves for hydration without the weight at all. But today, I think since it's the daytime, I'm going with something lighter. And then I will do eye cream. So this is a little bit more occlusive. I will do a facial oil. So maybe either this or this. But honestly, they feel very, very similar and they do similar things. They both have antioxidant beads inside and they're all suspended in this like watery oil that doesn't feel like oil, but it's gonna give you that nice brightening complexion and helps to balance the skin out. So maybe today I'll go with this. This is the ANESSA Whitening UV Sunscreen Gel. So my routine is this. Event day, my first event or workshop I'm hosting. Rushing to Sephora right now, and today is a Saturday, but the event is super early at 10, so I'm a bit worried that there'll be lots of dropouts because I know 10 o'clock is not exactly the most comfortable time where you want to talk about skincare and stuff, but nevertheless I hope people will still turn up. Anyway, I'm gonna rush. See you guys. The Sephora store is still shut, but let me bring you to my booth. Today we're talking about this, which is my favorite mask, the Floral Recovery Calming Mask. You guys need to try it. And they came for the event and they decided to hang around and ask me all the questions, which I love. Okay, what's your video request?
Contouring, like learning how to do contouring for like the cheek area, nose area, and
okay, so next time I'll do that. Dedicated to her. What's your name? Alyssa and Jolie.
Yes.
Oh my god. And I'm back. Okay, let me first sanitize my hands. I'm feeling very happy. I love the adrenaline that I get from meeting you guys, especially at a workshop talking about skincare, and then like meeting you guys in person finally. And then I had a great lunch at French Fold, even though I would say the food was not the best. Out of all the crepe places, I personally still really like Gather. The one at Raffles Hotel, that one is really, really nice. But French Fold is okay, I would say. Maybe a 6.5 out of 10. But if I were to recommend, I would recommend the bolognese, the Impossible Bolognese. That was really nice. Anyway, I'm going home to Matt. He's been waiting at home since morning because the painters came over to do some like touch-up paint job, and I bought him an acai bowl from Kukasa. He doesn't know, so I'm going to surprise him with it. Look what I got for you! Wow! I love Kukasa. And out of all the other acai places, Kukasa has the best almond butter in my opinion. Of course, the acai itself, I think Project Acai can fight. A lot of my friends love acai affair, which I like too. I like their pattaya punch. So I usually go to these different acai places for different things. So for OG, Kukasa. We are out for dinner. Tonight we are going to Sephora. Even though our reservation is 5:30, it's way too early for dinner, especially a full course meal, but our Grab is here, so I'm gonna go. There we go again. It's Monday. The long weekend just flew by like that. My friend Mantian from Vietnam is visiting Singapore, and I'm catching her on her final day in Singapore, literally at the airport, because she has to take a plane off like right after we have brunch. Anyway, since I'm early for my brunch, I thought I would give you guys an update on Sephora. We spent about $700 in total. I know, per person. On the spring menu as well as the sake pairing. Sake pairing itself was already 200 plus, so that's why it's not that expensive if you take that out, because I went there in autumn 2021, so that was very nice, and I remembered it being amazing. But this time it was very underwhelming, and I left the place feeling a little bit hungry, which is why we went to Live Twice after, and I ate a whole sando and like couldn't stop on the chips because yeah, my 10-course dinner wasn't full enough. We felt a little bit rushed because there was a second seating at 8:30 if I'm not wrong, so we couldn't finish our meal in time, and we were being served like course 9 and course 10 were served together. And yeah, I mean that one's purely our fault because we were eating very slowly, but still, you know, I wish I booked the second seating instead. So for those of you who are slow eaters, remember, go for the second seating, don't go for the first. Is my own tip for you. Recipe is gonna be on Longbong Eats. So Matt requested for aglio and some chicken thigh, so that's what I made. And for myself, chicken breast and some salad with some vegetables. Bon appetit! This way, and what you can do is actually the image behind you, that lady, she's using this flyaway attachment right now. Morning. It's a Saturday, and today we are heading to Le Bouchons. don't kill me, I'm just trying my best here. A French restaurant. We are invited to a tasting there, and I am quite excited because I am quite hungry. We found it!
Who's having some wine today?
I will. Yeah. Good morning. I just took a nap. Housewarmings are really tiring, but I'm not complaining. I love hosting people. I love seeing them like the house and seeing them chill in the house, and it just makes this, I don't know, it just creates so many more memories in this place, you know, like every corner I just remember, oh, this person did that here, this person said this here, this person commented this here. So yeah, I took a 30 minutes nap and I thought I should come in to say hi. Hi. Are you watching my stories?
Oh, I am.
Why?
I guess you're the first one on the list.
What?
You're the first one on the list.
Oh, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Are you my biggest fan?
Mm-hmm.
Who is my biggest fan? You, Sarah, or Cheryl?
Me.
Is it? I should ask Sarah and Cheryl whether or not they agree. But anyway, I'm back at my parents' place, and today's menu is seafood pao fan, and I'm very excited. Look at how big these prawns are. It's like 20块 right? 你把你的手放在那边做什么？可以看多大？ It's apparently 20 bucks right there. All the ingredients, waiting for the soup. I literally just touched up my makeup like with the new The Lab Cream Probiotic Sarah Cream Mist. I just sprayed it. Anyway, I'm gonna do an IG video, I think, and I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. So by the time you guys are seeing this vlog, I think it's already up. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description for how I usually touch up my makeup. Like, yeah, especially if my foundation is looking a little bit old, a little bit cakey. I don't usually just like pat on foundation on top of it. I usually do a few more steps so that my foundation looks as good as new, and that way you'll get something like this. And I really like it.